Cambridge International Manufacturing Symposium brings together leaders from industry, sharing the latest developments in advanced manufacturing supply chains, and more recently the journey around digitalization, but also academics and policymakers who look at a slightly more longer term perspective and move away from the perhaps incremental journey that many industry folk need to address for their returns, business returns for the coming year, but looking at long term. Is the transformation best undertaken, for example, in small steps, or is it best undertaken through radical change? Each year we select themes that are most resonant with industry colleagues, and our Centre for International Manufacturing very much focuses on next generation manufacturing. So what are the advanced manufacturing technologies? How does digitalization impact the interconnectedness of manufacturing systems, but also end-to-end between suppliers, producers and users. Of also interest are these more world global challenges around sustainability. So concepts around circular economy, resource efficiency become very relevant to our discussions.
The symposium is great for delegates because it provides different perspectives and use cases of what has been successful, as well as what are the challenges that happen. And you can learn from that much quicker and in a more confident environment in discussions. And it's also gives different perspective in industry, academic, and government that I really enjoy because sometimes I don't get that exposure being a technologist. The summary of my talk today will be how the factory of the future will be impacted by AI and automation. Because of current trends, that is intensifying the transformation that's happening in manufacturing. And one can be enabled this through connected sales and services, connected customer service, factory of the future, that's the plant and the manufacturing floor itself, intelligent supply chain, and connected product innovation. And you need a trusted technology partner such as Microsoft in order to do so.
I think the symposium is really good value for delegates because it's fairly light touch. The themes are very relevant. They're practitioners that are talking about real experiences, and there's quite a lot of time available to network and talk and ask questions directly. In my talk this morning, I highlighted a couple of things. I think one thing to take away is the fact that digital transformation can be done at fairly low cost. There are a number of things that you can start the journey quite easily with practical and good results. And I think the takeaway theme is, there's a quote that two of us have used, which is about the future being analog. Actually, it's about people.
To me, the main benefits of the symposium is that it's a platform for discussing the important topic of manufacturing strategy. And there are few forums like this. We have traces of it in Sweden and other networks, but this is a possibility to meet up with leading thinkers in academia and corporate life who are in fact also practitioners of manufacturing strategy. So this is a rare and valuable occasion for me. The key point from my talk this morning was going all the way from exploration to development to implementation, making things happen in the domain of Industry 4.0 or smart manufacturing. And Industry 4.0 is about integration. It's not about launching a huge number of pilots and then later on finding out how they interrelate, connect, integrate. It's about integration first and foremost, and then launching the pilots on digital backbone.